everyone, in this lab we will learn how to undo mistakes in Git using Git powerful commands like reset, revert, stash and checkout. Let's begin with the first scenario, undoing local changes. We can undo local changes using Git checkout. Let's see this. So this is my local repository and I'm on my master branch. Let's create a new branch to experiment this checkout commands. Let me create a new branch, git checkout -b, and the branch name is undo mistakes. Let's create a new branch. This git checkout -b undo mistakes will create a new branch called undo mistakes from master, and it will help switch to this branch. So let's go to the branch. So this is the undo mistakes branch. So now let's say I'm going to make some changes to some file. Let's take this file 6. I'm going to make some changes here, like this is an example file. Let me save this. So I have made the changes, and now if we do the git status, it will show us changes are not staged, like whatever modification, whatever line we have added are set to be in the working directory. The changes are unstaged. At this point, let's suppose I want to discard these local modifications or discard these unstaged changes which are in the working directory. Yes, we can do that using the command git checkout and the file name. File name is file6 git checkout -- file name. This command will help discard the changes or discard the changes in the working directory, means discard the unstaged changes in our local repository. So now if you do git status, you can see working tree clean, and you don't see that third line which we have added some time back, means this has discarded the unstaged changes. So that's how undoing local changes with git checkout can be done.